So it's the internet. It's all love. It's only content. I get it. So I'm just confused. Why niggas run from records, rap records and all that if it's only internet and niggas is getting their money and there's only content? I don't get it. I don't understand. But I do understand this. It sound good.
Yo, Pat.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, Pat.
I'm here, man.
You know who you think you are? I don't know who you think you are.
Hey, yo. I'm the light that keep the world lit with no switch. I came up in this rap game and made hits. That means I've been high.